Hi students, after a long time I am taking from the board. Today we are going to see an important problem in realization of IIR filters, which is otherwise structures of IIR filters, how in different forms we can draw the IIR systems, how we can construct. The important problem is draw the direct form 1, direct form 2, cascade and parallel form for y of n equal to minus 0.1 y of n minus 1 plus 0.2 y of n minus 2 plus 3 x of n plus 3.6 x of n minus 1 plus 0.6 x of n minus 2. Actually, for IIR, the realization of structures we have 6 realizations: direct form 1, direct form 2, cascade, parallel, transposed and lattice ladder. But the most important thing is the direct form 1 and 2, cascade and parallel. For any form or realization, we have to find h of z, which is y of z by x of z. So for the given problem, you have to find y of z by x of z. That is, you have to take the z transform. The z transform of y of n is y of z. Z transform of y of n minus 1 is z power minus 1 y of z. Y of n minus 2 is time shifting property. Z transform of x of n minus k is z power minus k x of z without initial conditions, assuming zero initial conditions. And z transform of x of n minus 1 is z inverse x of z, and this will be z power minus 2 x of z. The constants will come as it is. Clear? Take y of z one side, x of z another side. This minus plus will become plus, minus will become this side. All this simplification I did not tell. Find y of z by x of z. This will be on the top and this will come in the bottom. Okay, so h of z we have found out. The first realization is direct form 1. So direct form 1, a small hint I want to give. The denominator, right side, sign change. What do you mean by this? After drawing, I'll tell you. How to draw? So here if you see, both numerator and denominator, you have equal degree. So this will be somewhat easy. First you draw the adder. Here for direct form 1, the adder will be close to each other, the two adders. This is the first step. Clear? Then, since we have both same degree, delay, and this is adder. Here also delay, here no adder. Delay, adder. And here delay. Last section will not contain adder because adder minimum consists of 2 inputs. If you put an adder here, you have 1 input, that will not come. So this is 2 delays. Z power minus 2. We can't draw z power minus 2 at one stretch. Delay means it's only z power minus 1. Input is x of z, output is y of z. What did I say? Denominator, right side sign change. So denominator, only for z we have to see, not for constant. Constant will come here. So denominator, so this is left and this is right. Constant will be as it is. This plus minus will become minus and plus. Minus 0.2 will become plus 0.2. I did not write plus. 0.2 itself is by default is plus. So the denominator comes in the right side, numerator comes in the left side. We can easily prove this. Okay, how this can be drawn for that. So what are the numerator? 3, and this is 3.6, and this is 0. Here no sign change. Examination, you did not write this DRSC, you can erase it. Okay, just for ease. And this is DLSC. If this is DRSC, this will be DLSC. Denominator, left side sign change. Before that drawing, you have to do some little, what to say? We have to write this y of z and x of z in a different way. We have introduced a new function, w of z. Y of z by w of z into w of z by x of z. Something like 2 by 7, I can write it as 2 by 5 into 5 by 7. Where 5 is the new number here, here w of z is a new number. Where w by x is 1 by denominator and y by w will be numerator by 1. So this after simplification, cross multiply. W of z will be x of z minus 0.1 z inverse w of z and 0.2 z power minus 2 y of z. Similarly, this one y of z will be this into this. Okay. So how to draw for that form 2? Here that form 1 adders are close to each other, that form 2 adders are at a distance. Here we have a common adder in direct form 2. Common delay adder this side and delay this side. Similarly, adder this side and this side. What is the input? Input is x of z, output is y of z, this point is w of z. Denominator left side sign change. So plus minus will become, constant is 1 as it is, plus minus will become minus and plus, and numerator obviously this side 3.6 and 0.6. So this is that form 2 for the given problem. So what is the difference? In that form 1 you have separate delays for both input and output and for that form 2 delay will be common for both input and output. Another thing, in that form 1 it is something like outside to inside, and that form 2 inside to outside. It is goes like this and this comes like this. And you see the coefficients, yeah, that's interchange in that form 1 and that form 2. Clear? Given problem, find z transform, take the z transform, find y of z by x of z. That form 1, DRSC, denominator, right side sign change. The given problem, delays are equal, so z or minus on both sides you will have like this. Denominator means plus minus will become right side, no, minus plus, numerator will come in the left side, and from that form 2, write this y of z by x of z in a different way, introduce a new function called w of z and draw the structure for w of z and y of z. Directly from this also we can draw, but these are necessary for mark's sake. So here you have a common delay, denominator left side sign change, plus will become minus and minus will become plus, and numerator will come in the right side. This is that form 1 and that form 2 for the given problem. Next video we will see cascade form and parallel form. All the best. Try the same problem. Many times it came in anonymously. Thank you. Take care.